So what do we know? About 7, 8 weeks into the pandemic, about 3, maybe 4 pay periods for most people. And for the majority of most people out there, struggling financially more now than they were before all of this. And before all of this, it was already pretty tough stuff. So I got into residual income a long time ago, and I knew it was recession proof. That was one of the things that attracted me to it so much. But pandemic proof, this is uncharted territory. So now that we're charting it and we're so deep into it, I can say it seems to be pandemic proof. My income hasn't been negatively impacted at all. If anything, more, which is brings me why I'm even making this video for people that want to learn something new that can really help you out. I invite you to ask me what I got into over a dozen years ago. That's pretty much safe. It's like the ultimate insurance plan, the ultimate safety, the ultimate security blanket, the ultimate whatever it needs to be, especially when there's a recession or a pandemic, or even when times are good, to just be a free human being without having to have your time tied to a paycheck or living underneath the thumb of a boss that can tell you what to do, or a gatekeeper that can say yay or nay to vacation time. Any of those reasons. But just ask me and you shall receive. I'll send you info. You can be part of my Changemakers group where I share a lot of things that has to do with health and natural modalities and better money. Specifically, residual money is the better money, and be pandemic proof. But nothing is a guarantee. You've got to put the onus on you to want to learn something new and then own it. And there's no reason you can't achieve it too. So that's all I wanted to share with all of you. I hope you're all doing well. I know not all of you are, but I hope for those of you that aren't doing well, you find solutions, whether it's with me or somewhere else, but that has to include residual income, whether you're with me or you're with somebody else or whatever, has to include residual income. Otherwise you get tossed around like a rag doll in the wind of political and economic changes, and you have no control over it. Unless you get residual money, that's your control. So I hope that makes sense, and I'll hear from some of you very soon, the ones that are eager to learn something new. Bye for now.